Today, I will unveil these machines. These are the just completed DN300 high efficiency special plate heat exchangers. This Pepsi heat exchanger, from customizing and selecting to assembling, it has gathered the most cutting-edge technology. Whether in the chemical, environmental protection, it can operate stably under harsh working conditions.